This is a smart button.
With this button you will be able to control any device in your house or to activate any routine. For example, you can start sleep mode or away mode or movie mode. Or Christmas mode.
Christmas mode.
In this video you will learn how to build your own smart button with less than $10. Hello everyone, my name is Sosa. I have worked in IoT projects in the last years and I love home automation. And today I want to show you how you can build your own smart button and control any device or activate any routine that would control many devices at the same time. Even though this button works with battery, it will last for months since we're going to be using the sleep mode in the ESP8266 microcontroller. This is what you will need.
A box to contain everything, Node MCU, breadboard or PCB, battery of 3.7 volts, 1 kilo ohm resistor, push button. So this is how it will work. The Node MCU board will be powered by a 3.7 volts battery, and we will use the reset pin connected to the push button to wake up the board. We will connect the board to the web service Smartnest.cz to send the event to Alexa. Then in your Alexa app you can select what actions you want to happen when the button is pressed. In order to save battery, we will program the Node MCU to enter in sleep mode until the button is pressed again. So it would be most of the time idle, and when you press the button it wakes up. This will allow the battery to last for months. First, go to your dashboard at Smartnest.cz and create a new device of type contact sensor and copy the device ID. Then go to my GitHub and download the example code for the push button. Change the Wi-Fi details and paste your username and password from Smartnest. Upload the code to your board. Place the 1K resistor between the 3 volts and the reset pin. Connect the button to the pins ground and the reset pin. Take your 3.7 battery and connect it to the voltage input pin. If you have access to a 3D printer, you can print your personalized button. I will leave the file in the description. Put all your components together inside the box and you are ready to configure your routine. Go to your Alexa app and create a new routine. Give it a name and select Smart Home and your contact sensor as your triggering option. Then select the actions that you want to happen when you press the button. Alexa can control devices or play music, read the news, and even tell you the weather forecast.
After this you can go ahead and test the button and press it and you will see how Alexa will do everything that you configured her to do in the Alexa app. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you will enjoy the process. Let me know in the comments how it went, what did you use it for, and what else would you like to know how to automate in your home. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please press the like button. If you want to receive more videos like this and tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on social media. Happy automation! Bye bye!